Day 9. Mama or Dad just flew up to the nest. I see two little beaks. And there he goes. Oh, and then somebody just flew back in. One flies out, one flies in. There you'll see. I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit closer. Seriously, just put the camera on them and when they flew up in there. Oops. There's a nice little shot. Day 9 for us. Feeding time. I'll see if Tim can get up there today and take a better look at those babies. They're getting big though, look at that. Goodness. Oh, look at that. He's climbing up. Huh. I don't think he's ready to get out of the nest yet, but oh dear. It could be any day, guys. Any day. Let's see, I don't know if I can zoom in anymore or not. I know the nest is pretty deep, but boy, they're filling that thing up now. We're gonna stay on them for a little bit. I don't think he's gonna try and get out, but just in case. Mom and Dad aren't ever too far away. I don't think there's anything they can do if he falls out of the nest, though. He's all over. He's a feisty little guy. That's for sure. Alright, Mama just attempted to fly into the tree and decided to back off. Now she's down here in the yard staring at me. Oh, are we having sibling wars? No. They're just getting too big for the... Alright. Dad just flew in. Oh, that... You know what? Mom went around the house. She didn't want me to see where she was. Smart little thing. Okay, well, I'll keep an eye on them. If there's any more changes, I'll let you know. I expect them to be out of the nest here in the next couple of days. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness sakes. I know I keep saying I'm gonna stop, but I can't. I think I'm gonna go with Frik and Frak on the first set here. As far as names, I didn't get any more. Looks like they've calmed down. All right, Frik and Frak. And I don't think we'll be seeing much more of them. A couple of days worth and that's it. All right, bye.